Razer Blade 2018 Review. At the top of its game, but the game has changed. Did you know there's a new Razer Blade out there? Check out our Razer Blade 2019 review. The 2018 Razer Blade marked a huge revolution for Razer's thin and light device, already one of the best gaming laptops. Razer abandoned the 14-inch model for, well, another 14-inch Razer Blade this time around, technically speaking. Razer Blade 2018 at Amazon for $1,870.99. With the Razer Blade 2018, Razer has managed to shove a 15.6-inch display into a 14-inch chassis, similar to the best Ultrabooks, not to mention the Razer Blade Stealth. This results in the smallest 15-inch gaming laptop to date, at least until the Razer Blade 2019 hit the streets. The Razer Blade 2018 was redesigned from the ground up, and honestly, we're impressed. The Razer Blade 2018 arrived among a laptop scene that's completely evolved over the years. In that time, the competition evolved, and is now made up entirely of similar gaming laptops, which begs the question, is the Razer Blade 2018 worth the attention? Price and availability. Razer has priced the latest Blade similarly to its previous laptops somewhat exorbitantly. The 2018 Razer Blade starts at $1,899, £1,699, $2,899, which gets you a full HD, 1920 x 1080, display at 60 Hz powered by the same processor as the other versions, though paired with an NVIDIA GTX 1060 and 256 GB of storage. There's a new base dual storage model of the Razer Blade, that's a lot like the starting model, but with both an SSD and HDD. This dual storage Razer Blade will set you back $1,599, £1,479, $2,499, with a 128 GB SSD and a 1 TB hard drive. You can get up to a 256 GB SSD paired with a 2 TB HDD for $1,799, £1,649, $2,799. To get the model that we reviewed here, you'll have to spend a huge $2,599, £2,329, $3,999. In between that is a model with the 144 Hz display, the GTX 1060 and 512 GB of storage for $2,199, £1,979, $3,299, and one with everything you see on our spec sheet, but with less storage for $2,399, £2,149, $3,699. Similarly,